All right, so I just popped this off of my car. Let's see what the measurement is. Looks like it's about 10 inches. If you go to the inside edge, looks like it's maybe 10 3/8 inside to inside. But if you go off of the lip, it's maybe right around 10 1/16. And if you look at the wheel itself, you can see there's a kind of protruding part here, one here, and then one here. And I don't know if this will help you in any way, but the measurement for right here looks like about 10 inches, right around 10 inches. So hopefully it helps you out.